My dear students, today I am going to discuss some common errors in English sentences. First sentence is COVID-19 wiped in whole families. Here, the mistake lies in the use of preposition. Here it should be wiped out. COVID-19 wiped out whole families. Wiped out means destroy completely. Second sentence is he takes with Donald Trump. Here also, the mistake lies in the preposition. It should be takes after. So corrected sentence will be he takes after Donald Trump because takes after means resemble. When the phrases resemble, match, then we say takes after. Third sentence is the sooner we shall start, the sooner we will be there. Here the mistake lies in the first part of the sentence. That is, the sooner we start, it should be first part should not be future simple. First part should be in the present simple, and then second part will be future simple. Fourth sentence is he was angry because we are late. Here, in the second part of the sentence, mistake lies as the first part is in past tense. So second part will be also in past tense. So it should be we were late. So the corrected sentence will be he was angry because we were late. Okay. Fifth sentence is a cork screw is a tool to open bottles. Here cork screw is used for general purpose, and when we are using general purpose then we have to use 4 plus gerund. We have to use 4 plus verb with ing, and verb with ing, that is before. Before is only the gerund form. So the correct sentence will be a cork screw is a tool for opening bottles. And you have always to keep in mind when we are writing a specific purpose, in that case only 2 plus V1 you are using. But for general purpose, we have to use 4 plus gerund, that means 4 plus V4, that means for going, for opening, for writing, for reading, and so on. Otherwise, for a specific particular purpose, when we are using, then we will write to open, to stay, to call, to write, to play, etc. This is for particular purpose. Sixth sentence is although he had no qualifications, he had got the job. Here, mistake lies in the second part of the sentence. Here, it should not be he had got the job because it is past perfect structure. Here, it should be past simple structure because past perfect structure we don't use generally. Yeah, so here it should be he got the job. Although he had no qualifications, he got the job. This is in past simple structure. Now, seventh sentence is she would rather read than to talk. We have always to keep in mind whenever we are using rather than, then we have to use verb without to. That means that is called bare infinitive. Not to should be used. So here to talk is wrong. So it should be she would rather read than talk. Yes, so we have to keep in mind no infinitive we will use when rather than we are using. That means before verb to should not be used in this case. Eighth sentence is he spends 2 hours a day to travel. Here we have to keep in mind whenever spends or waste is used and after that time is coming, as here time is 2 hours a day, then we have to use always present participle form. The verb should be in present participle, not in to plus verb. That means infinitive should not be used, it should be in present participle. So our correct sentence is he spends 2 hours A day traveling. Yes, traveling is present participle, that is called before verb plus ing is called present participle. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.